The speed limiter is a driver assistance feature in the Ford Explorer EV, introduced in 2023. It allows you to set a maximum speed, preventing the vehicle from exceeding it unless you manually override it. This enhances safety and helps maintain consistent speeds, improving energy efficiency. To activate the speed limiter, press the speed limiter button marked with a speedometer icon on the left side of the steering wheel. The system will prompt you to set your desired speed using either the touchscreen or the steering wheel buttons. Accelerate to that speed, then press the Set button or the speed limiter button again to lock it in. A green indicator on the dashboard confirms activation. Once activated, you can adjust the speed limit using the plus and mash buttons on the steering wheel. Each press incrementally changes the limit by 1 miles per hour or 1 kilometers per hour. For finer adjustments, access the Driver Assistance menu on the touchscreen, then select Speed Limiter. Here, you can use sliders to precisely set your preferred speed. There are several ways to cancel the speed limiter on the Ford Explorer EV. To temporarily suspend the limiter, press the brake pedal briefly. The limiter will reactivate once you accelerate again. To fully cancel the limiter, press the speed limiter button a second time. Alternatively, select Cancel from the touchscreen menu. The system will also reset automatically if you turn off and restart the vehicle. It's important to distinguish the speed limiter from cruise control. Cruise control maintains a constant speed automatically, while the speed limiter caps the maximum speed, allowing you to control acceleration up to that limit. The key difference is that cruise control keeps your speed steady, but the speed limiter simply prevents you from going faster than the set limit while you control how you accelerate. Additionally, the speed limiter can be paired with adaptive cruise control on Ford Explorer EV models equipped with the Ford Co-Pilot 360 suite for enhanced driver assistance. The speed limiter on the Ford Explorer EV offers several key benefits. First, it enhances safety by preventing unintentional speeding, which is especially valuable in electric vehicles where reduced road noise can make speed perception more challenging. According to safety data, vehicles with speed limiters see a 10 to 15% drop in crash rates when speeds are capped below 70 miles per hour. Second, it improves energy efficiency by encouraging consistent speeds that reduce aerodynamic drag. This can potentially extend your driving range, with real-world examples showing up to a 15% improvement in battery range when using appropriate speed limits. Third, it's particularly helpful for new electric vehicle drivers adapting to different driving dynamics, or when driving in areas with strict speed enforcement, where staying within limits is crucial. While generally reliable, the speed limiter on the Ford Explorer EV may occasionally experience glitches, particularly in extreme weather conditions like heavy rain or snow. These issues can cause temporary malfunctions in the system's sensors. To resolve these problems, ensure your vehicle has the latest software updates. Ford has issued over-the-air updates to address glitches, including a recall in early 2026 for certain 2024 models. These updates can be downloaded remotely through Ford's connected services. If issues persist, check the vehicle's touchscreen display for any error messages related to the speed limiter. The system will display alerts if there are problems with sensors or software, helping you identify the specific issue. Speed limiter technology is evolving rapidly. Future models will feature AI-driven adjustments based on road conditions, such as automatically reducing limits in wet weather or school zones. Increased personalization through the Ford Pass app will allow different speed limits for various drivers or driving habits. Regulatory trends point to wider adoption of mandatory speed limiters in new vehicles by 2030, enhancing safety and efficiency.